Hello loves, welcome to the channel. Today's video is a decorate with me my spring floral bathroom for 2021. I'm going to start with a decal for this wall in a floral design that I picked up from Amazon. This is something I've been wanting to try for a while, and the decal didn't cost that much, and when I'm tired of it, it is removable, so it's not permanent. And this is how it looks, and I am loving it. This will be in my Amazon store just in case you are interested. Now I'm going to move to my pedestal sink. I'm keeping things simple in here. And I'm just adding some pink hand soap into this soap dispenser. I love the fact that it is clear and you can see through it, and this dispenser has hints of gold with it as well. Now I'm going to move to my towels. I will keep things simple here. I'm using some towels that I picked up from Walmart. Just doing a trifold on 2 towels here. Then I ordered some hand towels off of Amazon. I will have these linked as well in my description box down below. They are so pretty and they're very large. I will keep things simple here as well because I want that floral design to show. Now a little DIY on some artwork, and this artwork only cost me 73 cents by going to Hobby Lobby and getting some scrapbook paper. And I had these frames on hand already. I love picking up frames like this with the mat in it because it takes your artwork up to another level. And this is how it looks in place. Right now I'm steaming those wrinkles out of those towels because it would drive me nuts to walk into this bathroom and see all the wrinkles in the towels. Now I'm bringing that stand back in. I've had this stand here for a while and it really works in this space because it holds the necessities. I like putting extra bath tissue rolls here. I'm gonna do a little something special with this last roll, and I've seen it all over Instagram. You just fold it to a point. Go to your sink. Turn the water on just a little bit and turn it off. You dab the bath tissue under the faucet and voila, you have a little imprint and a little seal. How cute is that? Now I'm going to work on the stand, decorating it using this vase and these Peonies flowers that I picked up from Amazon. They are so pretty. And then I picked up this room spray from Bell's Outlet, and it smells so good. Next, I'm gonna just put something simple on this over the toilet cabinet. Do not throw away your Bath and Body Works candles. They come in handy. You can make beautiful containers for your bathroom just by adding some simple bling knobs to them. Actually, I broke one of the jars, so I have to use another candle to make my third one. This is how this bathroom looks. I also added a little container holding some hand towels, but I usually put napkins, bathroom napkins in the bathroom. But this is beautiful to me. This is just singing spring to me with all of these florals. Do you decorate your bathroom or bathrooms for the different seasons? Let me know down in the comments section below. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store where you can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, and so much more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning ABH family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the Blessed family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.